What's up, guys? This is Jay from Sticknwrap, and today we're going to be talking about the special projects we're going to be doing at the shop, and it's going to take about close to 2 weeks to do it. We're going to be doing it on the weekends while we're traveling and going to car shows. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and give you a sneak peek. Here on day 2 on getting our shop repainted, having to do trim and putting the wood floors. I just want to go ahead and show you what we have done. We've already patched up all the holes, so we've done a second coat of paint, and now we have already done the pest control around the building. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is what we're going to be doing today. We are just starting off and trying to get everything, rip off all the old carpets and trying to put the new floors, get a better trim. We wanted to do a heather gray because that's very, very popular, and instead of just doing the wood trim, we want to make it look pop. So here are some of the examples that we'll be doing. It's not finished yet, but we are finishing up the rest of the shop here, and we want to make sure it looks really good for you guys. Alright guys, looks like the shop's all done. Make sure you guys comment below and tell us what you guys think about the interior, but I think we did a pretty good job in getting it done. We definitely got the stuff from Home Depot. It's a very popular color. Everybody keeps asking us, so we'll keep you guys up to date, but overall I'm very happy with the result that came out too, and we should keep you posted on the rest of the stuff they're going to be doing. I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to Leo. He did an amazing job on the flooring, and we're going to go ahead and put his information on the below. Alright, last thing before we go, make sure you guys like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.